Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change product URL in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So first, make sure to be in the WordPress admin panel. After that, we will be needing to start changing some permalinks or some settings of our WordPress. So basically, we will need just to go to settings, go to permalinks, and after that, we will find the permalink structure, and then we can find the product permalinks. And simply, now you can start using whatever you like. So either you can have from a shop base. For example, you will have WordPress slash shop and then the sample product or the name of the product, and basically you can start choosing on what you want. So either you can have a product tag base or product attributes base, so you can choose any attributes that you want to use. For example, here it will be color, and for example here red. And here you can also have, for example, the tag base or the category base, etc. And it depends on which uh, type that you have used. And basically, you can also have a custom base. So, for example, shop, whatever name, and then have some other uh, different base. So basically, those are the ways on how you can change your products links or URLs. And as you can see, for example, the default one is look your domain name slash product slash the sample products or the name of the products, and those are also the name. And from here you can have by category, and then you can have name, etc., etc. So basically that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.